Sharp. I'm going to call that sharp. This video is all about how to make an axe razor sharp with very basic tools. And I'm going to prove it. The most common way to sharp axe is to use a rag. Put the rag like this. Take your file. You hold it with your thumb like that just, and you try to press it down against your leg like this. And holding the axe handle a bit under your arm, squeeze it. And just do like this, back and forward. This is the most safe way to sharpen an axe. Look at that. Okay, now I just need to do the other side, and I'm going to do that on the other leg. Something to think about is that you're folding your rag equal amount of time for both sides, so you get your angle roughly the same on the both sides, of course. Try to find a place on your leg where you feel like it's steady, you know. You're going to move around a little bit, but yeah, that's how it is, yes. I like to say we have a nice burr here now on the edge. You can feel it, they fold over to this side. And now is the time to use the stone. I'm going to use the same stone I use for my knives. I'm going to use the coarse side first because the burr here on the axe after the file is brutal. So I'm going to use the coarse side first to get away the burr. And after that I switch to the fine side later. But first, the coarse side. And always, lots of water. I'm going to do it like this. I do circles, I feel where the edge is, where the bevel is, and I do circles. I'm going to switching side now to the fine side of the stone. A little more water just. Okay, let's see how sharp it is. I'll find my rag just. Wipe it off a little bit. Here's a piece of paper on my backpack all day. Sharp. I'm going to call that sharp. Let's see how it works on a wet log. I know it's a wet log over here. I'm going to try to cut it. Here's the wet pine log I talk about. Let's cut it.